So we're at the ferry terminal, got $300 in my pocket. I've worked for a month, have nothing to show for it. I'm on my way back home. 82, that's it.
That's it.
Holy yes, my guy. Good time.
There is a life I lead in this city.
Mechanical breakdown number 1.
I
Perfect.
need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other people.
Okay, this doesn't really count as a breakdown, but we're changing the wires. But these were like 40 bucks, so I mean super cheap. Now that we've got like pretty much everything done on this bus, like it's gonna be maintenance free pretty much. Eat and fuel. Wow, look at this giant hill.
The city of mine, it never gets me down, yeah.
Ta-da! And I'm back in Cranbrook, and I made it, and the bus is fine. So for those, fuck. So for those who don't know, this is the house that I basically spent most of my teenage years growing up in. So the reason that I came back to Cranbrook this time around is to rebuild the interior of the bus. It's not really great. The feng shui isn't there yet. And here it is. And my doors are still here. As well, here's a bunch of salvaged lumber that I have from my other van builds. So that's pretty good. So if anyone ever claims that they have all of the answers, like for example, if you do bus life, you're just gonna have a fantastic life and all will be well. You'll be living your travel dreams. But in reality, it's not that way. But I've noticed that I kind of expected bus life, this big, nice, big, giant bus, to like solve all of my issues. One thing that I can say with full certainty is that bus life, for me, personally, has given me a lot of opportunities and given me a lot of time to reflect internally, and given me a lot of good habits. Reading, journaling, it's all of these little habits have actually come from bus life. Let's go see what I'm gonna do to the bus. Now you see why I need new doors. And reason number 2, yum. So, changing that as well. What I'm going to do is, so if it's like this, there's our kitchen. I will have this big giant chill area, and there will be a table here that will also make this a full-size bed. And I will have a fridge right here, and a shower, a full shower, right there in the corner. So I can stand up and I have a propane shower in that box. And it will look something like that. And next scene. Oh, and I just about ran over my camera tripod. That would have been a shame. Good exercise. Just, no, I don't even know what no, I don't like that. No. So if you are interested in seeing, no, I gotta look at the camera. So super big pain in the ass. Definitely sucks a lot, but it's part of it. Part of the thing, part of the bus life thing, getting an old one or whatever, so I deal with it. It's easily justifiable because I'm not paying $800 a month and $70,000 for a Sprinter van, which is smaller anyways. That's the big thing, smaller. Okay, bye. Yeah, all is well. Enjoying some nice podcasts. The traffic in Vancouver is insane and I hate it. And I don't hate it, but like me before would be like, oh, Vancouver, sick. Let's go like do some cool stuff, which there's not really anything cool to do in Vancouver at all. For me, at least now for me. So now I'm very, very happy to just be driving through Vancouver, knowing that I'm going somewhere peaceful, where there's trees and there's birds and shit. So if you're interested in seeing my transformation from very quick, cheap DIY, throw in together mumble jumble to something decent and something comfortable, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys on the channel, and I will have lots of cool tips and tutorials and little pieces of life advice. And if you would be so kind, drop a like, subscribe to the man on YouTube if you want, do whatever you want. I'm not gonna force you, but anyways, I will have some videos coming very quickly about the interior, the doors, all the cool stuff that I have to do. Installing a shower, I have a little diesel heater I'll do a review on, and rebuilding the bus. Yeah. Peace.